Today on Done Right by Dad Productions, we're going to talk about your gutters in the wintertime, dripping all over you, or they look like they're hanging funny, and how to fix that for free. It's all about free, people. Alright, let me show you here. Alright, so first you pull yourself out, a 32-foot ladder. You get up to these gutters. We're also installing these snow stops all along this ledge here because it's quite steep, as you can see, and it's tin, so it sloughs off and it catches on your gutters, rips these off. And so what I'm talking about is this, okay? The gutters all hanging off all the way down. It's leaning, it's dripping everywhere. So how to fix it? You get up here, you undo them, pull it towards yourself, bend that back tab out a bit. Okay. Now you see that angle. That's no good. Now you want to take them and you want to bend them back. Just shape like that. Then find yourself a new spot so you can drill into new wood, and you hook them under the gutter like this. Okay, now it's hooked. It's holding the front gutter. Go back there. Put that just like that. See that? That. Like that. It's in place. Now we get our screw. Our drill. With the bit in it, which is no good. So I gotta take the bit out. Switch bits. Alright, this is a difficult one hand. Hold on. Work with me here, people. Alright. Focus. Focus camera. Anyway, drill it in. Your gutter is now reattached. See that? Fixed. For free. You're welcome. You want another tech tip? Gutter cleaning. Simple way to clean a long stretch of gutter. Make sure you have standoffs. This keeps you off the gutters, and it's more stable. Get yourself a toilet bowl brush, cut the end of it off, stick it inside your pole, run a screw through. You can now reach one end, and a gutter brush, toilet bowl brush is the best shape for the gutter. You can reach there, all the way to there. About 25 feet, one ladder move. You're welcome.